Hey guys, Coach Eddie here. Today I want to speak in this short video about one important thing for so many young creators on YouTube, on social media, on TikTok or Instagram or wherever you are. Why do you feel the need that you have to conform to what everybody else is doing and you have to do the same thing? If everybody's making a fool out of themselves on TikTok and doing degrading things which maybe you don't think is really the right way to go, yet you're doing the same thing yourself. Why do you think also that you need a channel or you have to grow a YouTube channel in a way that's going to bring you thousands and thousands of followers and likes? However, you're doing it just like everybody else. You're not standing out from the crowd. You're taking other people's content, cutting it up a bit, reposting it, putting a little bit voiceover, and not bringing into the world anything of value from yourself. Do you think that's the right way to go? That's the question I have for you today. At what price are you willing to sacrifice your inner values and who you really are? If you have any thoughts about that, if you have an opinion on that matter, well, I'd be happy for you to leave it down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any questions, I'm here to answer them to bring you some value. If I brought you a little bit today, then I did my job. So this is Coach Eddie here. You guys, until my next video, think about what I said, and I'll see you. Until then, be safe and be well.